In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. Whether you're setting up a new project for yourself or your team, Monday.com makes it really simple to get started, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First, let's navigate to the site. As soon as you're logged into your Monday.com account, you'll want to shift your focus over to the left panel on your screen. This is your control center, giving you access to everything you need to organize your tasks effectively. Now, locate the plus icon here. It's conveniently positioned right next to your current workspace name. Click on that plus icon, and you'll notice a variety of options open up. Almost like a drop-down menu, you'll see choices like Project, Portfolio, Doc, Dashboard, Forms, and more. Each of these has its own unique function, but today we're going to focus on adding a board. So, among these options, select Board. When you do this, Monday.com will instantly create a plain, default board for you. This board is like a blank slate, ready for you to populate with all the information you need to get your project off the ground. If you're someone who appreciates a bit of customization to get a jump start, Monday.com also provides an interesting alternative. Let's say you want to create a new board, but would like to have a bit more structure from the get-go. In this case, instead of just clicking on Board, let's try adding a board using a template. To do this, click on the plus icon just as before and hover your mouse over to the right of the word Board. Here you'll spot a caret, which looks like a small arrow. Hover over this caret and you'll see Start with a Template as an additional option. Select Start with a Template, and this will take you to the Template Center. The Template Center is a great feature within Monday.com that offers you ready-made options that cater to various project types and organizational needs. From here, you can choose a template that best suits the project you're working on. This can save you a lot of time in setting up your board and ensure that you're starting with some best practice structures already in place. Whether you choose to start with a blank board or a pre-made template, once your board is created, it's all yours to customize. Add your tasks, team members, timelines, and more to fully tailor the board to your needs. This flexibility makes Monday.com a powerful tool for project management and collaboration. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create a new board in Monday.com, setting the foundation for your project management tasks. Remember, getting your setup right is the first step towards more streamlined and effective project management. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.